Mike, Susan, and Christina from Love to Wander. We're here at Lake Fulmor for a little bit. I'm gonna do some fishing. Christina's gonna start getting used to her pack, so she's wearing her pack today. She's gonna walk around the lake a few times. So it's on Friday. It's very quiet here today. There's some people here, but not too many. So we're just gonna do some fishing and do some hiking, and then we're gonna do some cooking later. Gotta remember, watch out for bears. So, I think it's, like I said, I think it's a half mile. I think, or a mile.
Okay, good morning everyone. It's Friday morning. We're up here at Lake Fulmor. Mike is down there fishing. And we're up here. Christina's got her big pack on. We're gonna do a little bit of hiking, and then we're gonna have some lunch. We're going to do this video a little bit differently this time because of the dual activities. Anyway, it's been way too long since we've been able to get out. September has kind of sucked. So anyway, let's do this. Okay, we're gonna walk around the lake a few times to simulate an actual hike. Christina is rocking a 32-pound pack with her water, so we'll see how she goes. She's got a tent and a sleeping bag and food, everything that she would need for an overnighter. She just wants to kind of get a feel of how she's going to do and everything before we do an overnighter in Joshua Tree. So we thought that this would be a good test while Mike's fishing. So Christina, we hit a mile. How are you feeling?
Good.
So we finished our 2-mile simulated hike, and we're going to wait for Mike to catch up with us, and then we're going to make some lunch. Should be nice and tasty. We're going to have carne asada, fresh carne asada tacos. So, Christina, how are you feeling?
I'm good.
So, very cool. 2 miles. Very cool. Okay.
Cook lunch. We're gonna have carne asada tacos, and Susan's getting ready to marinate the meat.
We have tortillas and carne asada steak meat. So, okay. You guys want to get your tortillas?